Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to fix a home run in pizza in my Cosori air fryer oven. I like the ultra thin pizza. So I got the pepperoni and sausage. And of course I'm going to doctor it up. In the meanwhile, on the other side of the kitchen, Walter wanted some more of that Italian beef. So I had bought some more yesterday and I just bought some more today. It's good. Quick, easy meal. Quick. So I bought this brand this time, the Vienna. This tastes better than that the Bona. The meat is better quality. The Bona was really good. I doctored it up. This is better quality meat, and you don't have to doctor it up at all. And it's really good. So I got what was left from yesterday's beef, this kind. It's in the rice cooker now, heating up. And I'm glad that's all you got to do to it. Just heat it up and put it on your bread. Really good. So I got this from Walmart. It was, I think, $12 for 36 ounces. So that's 2.25 pounds. Okay. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm going to do to this pizza. Oh, I usually doctor up my pizzas. Y'all see? Yeah, somewhat. That cord's running everywhere. Okay, here's this little extra thin pizza. Okay, I'm going to put some cheese on, mozzarella and cheddar cheese on it. Right now the pizza is looking pretty sad. Use it all. That's good. Brush the cheese all over the floor. Okay, now I'm going to use some black pepper. It is coming out, y'all. I can't hardly see it. Now this one, it grinds it up real fine. I got another one, it's coarse ground. I think there's some kind of setting on here where you can make it all fine. But it's fine. I got some basil leaves. Just sprinkle it on there freely. And I got some oregano leaves. And I got some hot jalapenos to put on here. And some black olives in there too. And my fork. I like this better than giardiniera. I love the jalapenos. And a couple black olives. I'm not gonna eat all this pizza at one time. juice. Hot pepper juice. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to put it in this Cosori air fryer oven. I had this sitting on the plastic that the pizza was wrapped in. I didn't have it sitting on that nasty box outside of the box. Okay. So now I'm going to press start. Okay. How long it take to cook. Of course I watch my stuff. Plus that's extra thin, so it cooks real fast. 450 for 8 to 12 minutes. So I just have to watch it. Okay. Let me show you what I do to the box. I always cut the box so I can put the pizza in here. Cut that side. This side. This out of here. Put this up. Okay, that'll tell you beef is smelling mighty good. For real, for real. Woo. Put that in the fridge. So, you'll see this pizza box. Cut it like that. And when the pizza gets done, I'll just put the pizza on here inside the box. And I'll slice it with a pizza slicer. Okay, I'm going to take y'all over here so y'all can see what that beef is doing. This is what the beef is doing, so it's ready. I just get ready before my... Oh, that's enough meat for Walter. We ate out of this last night. Look at this meat. Walter was getting his out. He said, oh, this looks like chitlins. Oh, so it don't taste like chitlins. This is really, really seasoned, really good. So, ready for me to cut this off. I had it on the white rice setting. Now put it on keep warm. Let me see, press that. Press it again. Hard doing this with one hand. Oh, okay, there you go. This is the aroma rice cooker. Okay, this is how the pizza is looking so far. I want the cheese to get a little more brown. Then that'll be good enough for me. You see this Cosori air fryer oven has a bottom and top heating elements. Okay, cooks very well. And it actually cooks my cookies better than my regular oven. Okay. Okay, it just beeped. Okay. So I'm going to take it out. I'm using this stainless steel pizza peel, P-E-E-L, peel. So it cook the entire 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, unplug it. Turn the light off. Unplug it. Cut this. And here you can see. Here's the pizza. We doctored up home run in pepperoni and sausage pizza. Okay, I'm gonna slice it. Y'all can't see it. Slice the pizza. I'm not going to make regular slices. I'm going to cut it into small slices. You hear that crust? Crispy. Okay. Keep that on there. Good and cheesy, seasoned. Yum, 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 yum. Too close. Okay, there's my pizza. I'm about to get my eat on. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I don't dare bite this pizza right now. But my mouth is watering for it. Hot. Super hot. And I ain't about to burn all my taste buds off. But I already know it's good because I buy home run in most of the time. It's really, really good. So, bon appetit. Y'all be blessed. Bye.